Just watch the TV one more time. I just had you do this. This is one of the best ways to work on where you're supposed to be at impact. Look at this. I said put your hip where it should be. Look at this. Your head stays there, and look where that hip is. This is correct. That's exactly what you should be doing. Now, here's the tricky part. You have to go. You got to take it back straight, right? Keep your hip, get it on plane, bring it from the inside, and then get back to that spot, that same spot that you're in. You get what I'm saying? So some people will go like this. They'll set up and they'll go, this is where I want to be. And then they'll do the other stuff and get back there. Do you see what I'm saying?